All right, so I just got a product sent to me from Palovue. It's their earbuds. One thing though, let me see them. They're not wireless. So they're not wireless earbuds. They are wired earbuds. But this is for the iPhone, and they are Apple certified. So their lightning cable is MFI certified by Apple. They have an Apple chip in them, so they work really good with iPhones apparently. So we're gonna see what they sound like. All right, so right now these are going for $20. They come in two different colors, just the black and the white version. So I always do true wireless earbuds on here. I never did any wired ones. So when they said, oh, we got some earbuds you might like, and I seen that they were wired, I was like, might as well have a pair on there because I never do. And I know some people love wired because they don't want to deal with the charging and the earbuds dying and all that. But it's been a while since I tried any wired earbuds. Affordable premium audio. So we're gonna test that theory right now. Let's see how long this wire is. That's a big thing. If you got a wire, it better be long. Let's see. Let's see. Keep it going. That's pretty long. They're doing pretty good. Yeah, this is a long wire. This is a real long wire. You're definitely gonna have no problems on your hip, up to your ears. You could probably save someone if they're stuck in a pit. You could probably throw this down there and save them. This is a pretty long wire, I'm not gonna lie. All right, let's see what else they got. Let's pull the buds out. There we go. I gave you guys a close-up look right now. Let's just see the rest of this. Ooh, they have a clip for your wire. Just in case you gotta be professional, make some professional calls. You got your clip on here. And let's see how many tips they got. Looks like you got your different ear tips on there. So 2 in here, and then the ones on there. So 3 total. You have 3 different ear tips. And let's give you guys a little close-up, huh? All right, so here goes a little close-up of the earbud. So let's see what I'm looking at here. They feel really light, that is for sure. So it shouldn't feel too bad in the ear. I can't wait to put these in and try them out. The stem that goes into your ear seems pretty long, but we'll see if it's uncomfortable or not. I'm not gonna knock it until I try it. And this is where your mic is, and your multi-control will be all on this part. This is probably where the clip will come in handy, especially if you're making a lot of calls on this. You can keep it close and up high, you know, right here close to your mouth when you're making your calls. But let's plug it and play it. Let's see what this certified Apple, you know, chip is all about with this iPhone. Oh, nothing happened. I just wanted to make that face and make you guys think something happened. Nothing happened at all. We just plugged it in. Let's see, right and left, which one is what? It does say it on there. The only thing I hate about earbuds tests is that you guys can't hear with me. That's why I love doing the speaker test or the soundbar test. You guys could kind of hear what's going on, even though it doesn't translate 100% over video. But with earbuds, it doesn't translate at all. Only I can hear. So the stems in the ear they don't bug me at all, and these are really light. The only thing I can feel, of course, with wires is this area right here. This is where all the weight's coming from. If these were wireless, I wouldn't feel nothing in my ear at all. But the weight is coming from, you know, this. Man, I haven't had a wire on in forever. I'm about to be profesh. A little profesh right there. Oh man, I don't even know how to put these on. I'm the most unprofessional guy out right now. Okay, all right, I'm about to put a song on. I'm gonna listen. I'm gonna slowly turn it up. I'm gonna see what we're gonna get. I wanna see how much of a difference these $20 earbuds will make. And since they're, you know, Apple certified, I wonder if it's gonna be that much of a difference. Let's see. Let's try it out. Press and play. No sound right now. I'm turning it up. Halfway. I'm on max volume now. It's my jam right now. All right. So one thing I noticed with these right away is once you hit 85% and up, the highs get really harsh. Like they are too loud. But everything under 85 and down, it sounds amazing. But then it's just like the highs just get really loud, the highs and the mids, and it kind of hurts your ears. That is one thing I definitely noticed right away, right when you turn it to max volume. If you're a person that doesn't listen on max volume, you know, which is really good because you're protecting your ears. There's a lot of people out there that don't listen on max volume. These sound really good, they sound really clear. But once you go past 85 and up, you can just hear it take over, and it's really, really, really harsh, and it hurts your ears. That's the one thing I did notice right away. So listening to a couple of the hip hop songs right now, one thing I do notice with the bass, it has nice bass. I like the bass that it's giving out. The mids work well, and then the highs, they all work really well until you hit that percentage I was talking about, 85 and up. Then the highs are like, I'm taking over, I'm the, you know, star of the show. But if you stay under that, these are some really good sounding earbuds, that's for sure. I really like the sound I'm getting from them and the bass on some of these songs that I'm listening to. So if you're a person that doesn't listen to your earbuds on max volume, you're gonna be fine with these because you're getting nice quality, the mids, the highs, and the bass. Under that, you know, 85% sound really good. I do like the bass on these. And they are pretty loud, and even when they're loud, they sound clear until, like I keep saying, they hit that 85 spot. But yeah, for 20 bucks, you're getting a good pair of earbuds right here. And it has the long wire, and like I said, they are Apple certified with the lightning cable. So this is, if you're looking into these, that was my quick little review about them. I'll leave a link down in the description below so you guys can click that. See the current price and see other people's reviews and see what other people said about these earbuds. Because one thing I do know, all our ears are like fingerprints. They're all different. We all take in sound differently. So I hope you guys like this quick little unboxing and my quick little review. Listen to a couple of songs. See you in the next video. Everyone be safe out there. And don't forget to subscribe. Hit the subscribe button down below. And all my subscribers, thank you so much for subscribing. Peace.